Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice Support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the IC-EL-Mote-T-Plus High Accuracy Ambient Temperature Cloud Connected Data Logger. The IC-EL-Mote-T-Plus kit is more accurate than the IC-EL-Mote-T, with an accuracy of 0.01 degrees Celsius. After setup, the device can be placed anywhere within range of the Setup Wi-Fi network, continually monitoring and reporting your data to the EasyLog cloud. You can easily access your data on any internet browser or on the EasyLog Cloud app. This enables you to monitor the ambient temperature of your chosen location from anywhere, at any time. This makes the logger ideal for measuring ambient temperatures in environments like offices, warehousing, and in greenhouses. In the box, there are 4 AA batteries, an easy-to-follow quick start guide, a temperature probe, double-sided tape, and the IC-EL-Mote-T-Plus, with a single button with a built-in LED indicator on the front, 2 probe installation areas and a power adapter in the centre, and on the back is the mounting bracket with keyhole hooks. This unclips to reveal access to the battery compartment. And that's what comes in the box with the IC-EL-Mote-T-Plus. For more information on this logger, including a video demonstrating how to assemble and set up and get started, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.